A prayer in times of disaster for those affected by Hurricane Helene. Please join me in praying for the over 125 deceased, the injured, and those who lost homes, pets, and their livelihoods from Hurricane Helene. Please see the description box below for more information on where to donate for Hurricane Helene relief. A prayer in a time of disaster. Holy One, you are our comfort and strength in times of sudden disaster, crisis, or chaos. Surround us now with your grace and peace through storm or earthquake, fire or flood. By your Spirit, lift up those who have fallen, sustain those who work to rescue or rebuild, and fill us with the hope of your new creation. Through Jesus Christ, our rock and Redeemer. Amen.